I know this area is usually pretty ticklish.
Ooh.
Kirsten, welcome back to the office. I adjusted you for your first time in August, so it's been a couple months, and you said that you did amazing until recently.
Yes.
So tell me how you're doing now.
So about a week or so ago, I started getting like a little bit more pain in my lower back. And I also woke up last Saturday with vertigo. So I got out of bed in the morning and I was just like super dizzy and like, it was, yeah.
And that happened around the same time that your low back started hurting you.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about your low back for a second.
Okay.
You had a little bit of low back pain before I adjusted you
Yes.
in August, and you haven't had any low back pain since then
No.
until recently?
Yes.
That's pretty awesome.
That's
amazing.
I know normally I would have it like all the time, like my back would never stop hurting, but
Wow, so you've had
after
relief
that,
for
a couple months. Yeah.
That's amazing. So what did you do, or did you do something to hurt your low back again?
Well, I'm a personal trainer, so I'm lifting weights all day long, so I think that has something to do with it.
Okay, so was there a specific movement that you did that when you felt your low back again, or was it just, you think, slowly getting sore?
I think it's just slowly. Yeah.
Okay. Is it the same soreness that it was before you got adjusted, or is it a little bit different?
It's a little bit different, so it's not as bad as what it would have been like a few months prior, but.
Okay. I want to check your balance. I want to see what's going on as far as the dizziness goes. So I'm going to have you stand up and face me. And I want you to put your feet all the way together so they're touching like that. And do you feel off balance right now at all?
A little bit.
Okay, like you're swaying a little
Yeah.
bit? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have you, I won't let you fall, okay? So, but I want you to keep your feet together like that. Let your hands just like relax down next to you. And then I want you to close your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can open your eyes. It's not too bad, but you're kind of going over to your right. Do you feel that? You're catching yourself? Okay. I'm going to have you do that again, but I'm going to have you bring your head or your eyes to the ceiling, and you're going to close your eyes. I won't let you fall, okay? Okay, a little bit more off balance, right?
Yeah.
All right, you're going to do the same thing. Bring your chin down to your chest and close your eyes. Woo! Okay, so, all right, we're going to remember that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna check you out. We're gonna adjust you, and then we're gonna recheck this and see how your balance is. But yeah, anytime you blink or close your eyes, and if your head is not perfectly straight, I mean, you're going all over the place.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna have you lay face down. Let me check everything, and then we'll recheck your balance after. All right. Go ahead and lay there. All right. So, do you remember when I saw you, and I asked you if you thought you were laying straight on the table?
Yes.
Do you feel like you're laying straight on the table right now?
Yes.
You do. Okay. So, are you sure?
No.
No. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put you in the center of the table here.
Okay.
And let's see here. All right. Okay. Does that? Are you relaxed here?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel right now? Does it feel like you're laying completely crooked on the table?
Not completely, no. Maybe a tad, though.
Okay. This is actually in the center. All right, so we really should be adjusting you more often than every couple of months. We got to be better about that. Okay? Because we can actually retrain your body to be in the right position, and usually what happens is that when the adjustment, if it's holding, you should be pretty good, but once it goes out of alignment, then things like this happen where that feels like you're centered, okay?
Yeah.
So, let's see here. Okay. Ooh. So does one side bother you more than the other?
It just depends.
Let me move the table down a little bit. This side is not really moving at all. Does that hurt at all when I press there?
No.
Let's see here. Okay. That muscle there is too happy. How you doing? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Does that hurt or are you doing all right?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to use your favorite thing on you. Oh gosh. What did you think I was talking about?
The strap.
Oh no, not yet. Not yet. Not that. I haven't even gotten up there yet. Were you sore at all after we used the wide strap on you? Were you sore up here at all?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
But it was amazing.
But
I
then
loved
you felt amazing for a couple months, which is
yeah.
pretty incredible. Doing all right?
Yeah.
I know this area is usually pretty ticklish, but doing okay?
Yeah.
Ooh, that side too. Try to keep all of this relaxed. Have you ever had vertigo before?
No, I haven't.
Were you freaked out?
I was.
Yeah. And you Googled it and you realized you were going to be okay, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I thought I was having a stroke or something for a second.
Yeah, it can be scary. I mean, everything is spinning around. You feel like you're on a boat or something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Move your arms forward a little bit for me. Just stretched out right there. And this is probably not fun in there, but you're right.
Yeah.
Just trying to get this muscle to release. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, take a deep breath in again. Breathe out. There we go. Okay. Yes, good. Okay, so you have a huge knot in your trap right here. Did you know that?
No.
No. Okay, hang on. Making noises under your breath.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's releasing a little bit. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
I know that it's probably not the most comfortable thing in the world, but it's, there you go. You didn't even know that was there.
No.
Yeah, it's you're doing great. You're doing great. Okay. All right, I'm gonna give that a break for a second, okay? And then I'm gonna adjust you down here. Do you remember how I had you lay on your side when we did this? Okay, we're gonna do that. Let me move this table down a little bit. Hang on. All right, so you're gonna lay on your side facing me. Okay, so this side's gonna be up. All right, so your top knee is gonna be bent. And then let me see this arm, so you're gonna pull your shoulder off from you. And give yourself a hug. All right. Can you scoot towards me a little bit? A little bit more. Okay. So look at the ceiling here. Your low back feel okay? Can you handle this?
Yeah.
Is this relaxed?
Yeah.
Yeah, really good. All right, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Here, relax here. There we go. All right. Man, that did not want to move, but We're gonna do the other side, so you're gonna face this way. And straighten your bottom leg here. There you go, perfect.
Ooh, now I can really feel it in my shoulders.
Oh, what I was just doing?
Yeah.
Let me see this arm. I just kind of want to move this shoulder up a little bit. Put your hand on your elbow right there. Okay. Yeah, you had some tight traps. Move towards me just a little bit more. Okay. All right, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Just like that. Start out again. Okay, start out again. All right, they face up. Wasn't as bad as the first time we adjusted your low back. That's actually, a lot of that held. Okay. Ready for your neck? Yes. Okay. Let's see here. Right. So keep everything relaxed. Try to relax this as much as, there you go, perfect.
Oh.
That moved well.
That felt really good.
Good.
Stay relaxed again. Ooh.
You're getting used to this chiropractic thing, huh?
Basically a pro now.
Yep. Just gonna see here. Your muscles are so tight. Figure even if you're sore, you're gonna feel amazing for a couple months, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the Y strap. It's your favorite, right?
Oh gosh.
You ready?
Yes.
Yes. Da, da, da. How many people did you tell about this?
Oh my gosh, so many.
What did they say?
It looks like a torture device.
Right? I know. How did you explain this to people?
That looks like a torture device.
That you went to the chiropractor
But
and she
it
put a
feels
torture.
amazing.
I went to the chiropractor and she put a torture device on me, but it was amazing. Were they like, what's wrong with you?
It's like the most insane feeling.
It is. So it doesn't always feel exactly the same each time you have it done.
Oh gosh.
It might, but we'll see. Lift your head here and then go ahead and put your head down. Bring your chin up just a little bit. Okay. Comfy in here, ears are tucked in, all right. Okay, so take a deep breath in. Breathe out away. Breathe in again. And then breathe out away. Good.
Ooh.
Good. Keep your head relaxed, just keep your leg right there. How you doing?
Good. Great.
Good? Good. Great, I like it. Let me scoot this out here. Okay, relax your head down. I'm gonna check your ankles and your feet and give your neck a little break, okay? So if I remember correctly, you're super ticklish, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Are you still super ticklish?
Yes.
Right.
Always.
Is it just your feet?
It's my feet and like above my knee.
Like right above
Yeah.
your knee here? Why do you think that is?
I don't know. I've always been that way.
Like if I just touch here, that's ticklish?
No, you have to like.
Oh, like squeeze? Yeah. Okay. I feel like everybody's ticklish like that. Like if you
Yeah.
squeeze this way. Let's see. So last time I saw you, your ankles needed to be adjusted. And I really do believe that proper motion in your ankles and your feet can help with low back issues. So Keep your foot relaxed here. Very good. Is that ticklish when I did that? It's the bottom of your it's the bottom of your feet, right?
My feet.
Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. And this, it's hard for you to relax because you're like, okay, there we go. Good. That moved. Very good. How are you doing?
Good.
All right. Keep this leg relaxed.
Ooh.
Yeah. I wish I could adjust your feet without touching the bottom of your feet, but I can't. Sorry. So. Okay. There we go. You're doing great. Now you can breathe. Keep this relaxed. Okay, that's fine. One's fine too. All right, how you doing?
Good.
Doing okay. Are you dizzy right now?
No.
No? If you close your eyes, are you dizzy at all?
No.
No? Okay. I'm gonna have you sit up and I want you to stay seated. And you can face this way, just stay seated there and tell me how you feel right now.
I feel good.
You feel good?
Mhm.
You're not dizzy at all?
I'm a little bit dizzy. Like right whenever I sit up, I'm dizzy.
When you
but-
sat up quickly?
Yeah.
Okay. But not right now?
No.
So right now? Super tight here. Okay. So let me know if you start getting dizzy at all, but I'm gonna use this up in here. And I want you to bend your, so bring your left ear to your left shoulder, so kind of bend your head to your left. Yep, just like that. You all right?
Yeah.
All right, then look straight ahead. Dizzy at all or no?
No.
No, okay. We'll do that on this side too. Yep, see if you can stretch a little bit more to your right. There you go. Okay, and then look straight ahead. Okay. All right, scoot back on here just a little bit so you're sitting all the way back. And then I'm gonna have you put your hands on top of your head, like right on top of your hair right there, okay? And bring your chin to your chest so you're gonna look down. And we're gonna stretch this whole area out, okay? So I'm gonna kind of give you like a hug behind here, all right?
Okay.
All right, and then put your hands on top of my hands. Right there, good. So try to stay as relaxed as you can and take a deep breath in. And then breathe out all the way. Good. Stay totally relaxed for me and look up. Good. You didn't know that was about to happen, did you? Nope. All right. Not dizzy, right? Feeling pretty good?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna have you stand up and face me. Are you dizzy now or no?
No. Perfect.
Good. And then move your feet together. All right. So close your eyes. I won't let you fall. Okay. Open your eyes and you're still down this way a little bit. We're not done adjusting you, but bring your head back like that. Okay. So, yep, I can't fall there. Separate your feet for a second. So what I'm gonna do, let me see this arm. We're gonna adjust this side, and then we're gonna recheck you.
Okay.
Because what's interesting is that when you adjust the joints, it sends information to one side of your brain,
Mm-hmm.
and sometimes it can actually even out your balance a little bit, but let's see. Good. Give me your fingers, You crack your knuckles though, don't you?
Yeah.
Turn this way just a little bit. And stay faster. All right, and put this hand on your hip like this. And keep your hand there. And on the count of 3, you're gonna go backwards, like against my hand here, okay? 1, 2, 3. Do that one more time. Keep your hand there, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so face me again. Put your feet all the way together. And close your eyes. Okay, and then open your eyes, and then you're gonna bring your head back like that. Close your eyes again. It's pretty solid. How cool is that?
That's crazy.
Isn't that the craziest thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So what you can do, if you ever feel like you're kind of off balance again, what you can do is, preferably you have somebody like watch you so you don't actually wipe out doing this, but put your feet together and close your eyes with your head back. And if you go to your right, then lots of input into your brain from your right side. But if you close your eyes and you go to your left, you can do it on your left side. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if you're somebody who cracks your knuckles, I think I told you, don't do it like this, pull, but just do it on your right side. The other thing you can do, let's say you do that and you go to your right, with your right arm, and I'm kind of gonna like mirror you, you're gonna do arm circles like all the way around, and you do like, so I don't wanna hit this, like big arm circles, so you can do like 10 forward and 10 backwards, and then put your feet together and recheck it.
Okay.
And you'll probably be like, whoa, that's crazy, because it actually will fix it. And it's not a permanent fix, just like doing it once.
Yeah.
But if you keep doing that, you could actually kind of reset yourself neurologically.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
That's crazy. Yeah.
It is crazy. When I first learned that, I'm like, there's no way. This is the coolest thing. So you're not dizzy right now?
No.
Okay. Does your low back hurt?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna have you, will you walk to that cute table right there and back, and I wanna see how your back feels. So it feels good?
Yep. Feels
Okay.
perfect.
Was there anything specifically that you would feel it, it was just like a constant ache?
Yeah.
Okay, so we fixed that. Your neck feels good. You're not dizzy.
Yes.
Did we miss anything?
I don't think so. I think we got everything.
No, I think so too. I would say for you, getting adjusted once a month is like probably the minimum. Because you do have like a little bit of curvature in your spine, and you, so put your arms like this for a second. Actually face this way, because we did this when we did your first visit. We were looking at where your shoulders are, and this is actually because this is a good indicator that you have a curvature in your spine.
Yeah.
But because of that, you're gonna be more prone to like muscle imbalances and needing adjustments. So we're gonna do once a month. Sound good?
Perfect. Thank you so
Thank
much.